turbofans, and they take it to the sky. Ladies and gentlemen, from the 97th Air Mobility Wing at Elvis Air Force Base in Oklahoma, please make welcome to C-17 Globemaster 3. This reliable airlifter combines the aircraft cargo carrying capabilities of large some 14 times on Is it a freighter or is it a fighter? The C-17 in system as the aircraft can be flown entirely in mechanical backup mode, further safeguarding against abnormal situations. As the aircraft approaches from the left, notice the upturned wingtips, known as winglets. To give you an idea of the size of these airplanes, those are nearly 9 feet tall. In case you're wondering just how big the C-17 is, the wingspan roughly 170 feet, the tail over 5 stories tall. More fuel. The aircraft can actually transfer more fuel in just 1 minute than a year's supply of fuel would take for an automobile to burn in 1 year. Here they come from the left, the KC-135 Stratotanker and the C-17 Globemaster 3. And there's the break. How about a big round of applause for the 97th Air Mobility Plane of New York, United States Air Force. What is the serenity of these big boys? Service life. The Stratotanker got an upgrade. They put CFM56 turbofans on them, and it helped make the aircraft a lot more economical. But it caused a problem. Those big engines, those nacelles that they sit in, are only about 18 inches from the runway environment. It only gives the pilots about 4 degrees angle of bank on final approach. This demonstration that we're seeing now is taught to up-and-coming KC-135 pilots to demonstrate the proper approach angle as they go by just 10 feet above the ground. To the right, the C-17 is now approaching for a short distance full stop landing. Flying in at just 120 miles an hour, flying a 5-degree approach angle. We're going to watch as Captain Wells, Captain Joffrey, and Captain Hartman, upon touchdown, will command a reverse thrust to stop the C-17 in just over 1,000 feet of runway. You'll watch as they touch down for a couple of panels to open up around the engine nacelles as they command that reverse thrust. Let's take a look. This is as much noise as this aircraft is ever going to make. The tanker, of course, continuing to provide that global reach and global power for our United States Air Force and our allies. We talked a bit about that 4-degree limitation on the approach. Look how stable the airplane is. They're working hard up there, particularly with the gusts and altitude. The thermals coming off the runway. Watch as they just kiss it on the runway.
You don't have to reach your seat. Peep the technique.
Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the KC-135. We are so thrilled to have them here with us. Well, right now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to keep the air show action going.